She is owing me money. That food is smelling great. I am thinking it's a good idea. Are you guilty of these grammar mistakes? Let's talk about a very common grammar mistake you're likely making. And it all comes down to this verb type, stative verbs. Some verbs describe actions you can see or do, like run, write, cook. But stative verbs describe states, conditions, feelings, thoughts, and possessions, not actions. And here's the rule. Stative verbs are not normally used in the continuous form, that is, the ing. So, I am hearing you. Wrong. I hear you. Correct. Stative verbs often describe thought, such as know, believe, understand, think. Feelings, such as love, hate, like, prefer. Senses, such as hear, see, smell. Possession, such as have, own, belong. State and existence, such as be, seem, appear. But it gets more interesting. Some verbs can be both stative and active, depending on how you use them. For example, think. I think it's a good idea. I am thinking about the problem. Have. I have a car. I am having lunch. Smell. The food smells great. He is smelling the food. So, don't say, she's owing me money, but say, she owes me money. Don't say, the food is smelling great. Rather say, the food smells great. And don't say, I'm thinking it's a good idea. Say, I think it's a good idea. Now it's your turn. Which sentence is correct? I'm loving this song. I love this song. Drop your answer in the comments. Like and follow for more English tips with LingoTag.